Okay, now what we're going to look at is the first thing to do before I actually insert it into my chimney. You need to know, does your chimney go straight up, does it go to the left, or does it go to the right? So the first thing you need to do is look up the chimney. Okay, so now I've determined that my chimney goes up and to the right hand side. I look, and then place my chimella where it needs to go. One push of a button, reach up, hold the purple spot, pull down gently, and that is now sealing off my chimney. I'll then hold it there, pull down the handle, and that's there to remind me, don't light the fire, because I've just blocked it off.